one of the things that we always like to point out is that most people that are killed in flash floods are killed in vehicles, either because they tried to cross running water and therefore there wasn't any roadway beneath what they thought was where the road was, but instead the water had taken it out, or they get on the roadway itself, it's still there, but the force of the water, even as little as 2 feet deep, is enough to dislodge a vehicle off the road and put it into the deeper parts of the stream itself. And again, most fatalities occur because of the running water aspect in vehicles trying to cross it. Heavy rainfall occurring from the thunderstorm strikes the ground perhaps many miles away from where the waters are going to be seen. Just runs downhill. It can be even sunny. You just need to be aware of thunderstorms that are occurring over higher terrain that may be above you as you're traversing, especially the desert areas of California with their nearby mountain areas. Thunderstorms generally do tend to move to the southeast over the plains, but in California very many times the thunderstorms are nearly stationary over the mountains, over the place where the thermal activity begin to generate the thunderstorm. And so, again, the water runs down the hill and over the roads many miles away from the thunderstorm source itself.